This delicious puff is what I prepared for my family today. Everyone loved it and they even asked for more. I thought I should share it with you all. Lovelies, you're all welcome to the Delicious Kitchen. My name is Tolu. In a bowl, I'll be pouring 1 tablespoonful of dried yeast into it. I added 1 tablespoonful of sugar and a cup of warm water to activate the yeast. I gave them a good mix together and left it for 15 minutes. Back to the yeast after about 15 minutes, lovelies, it is ready. So you can see the difference, how it was and how it is now. I'm going to keep it aside. Let's move to the next level. I have 1 kilogram of all-purpose flour here, and I added half of a cup of sugar into it. I'll be adding 1 teaspoonful of salt, and I added 1 teaspoonful of vanilla sugar. You can use vanilla extract if that's what you have. Half of a teaspoonful of nutmeg, and I mixed all the dried ingredients together. Shout out to you all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for sharing my videos. Thanks for your lovely comment. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll be adding milk into it now, just a 1/4 cup of milk, and I added 2 tablespoonfuls of melted butter into it. All I need to do now is to mix them all together. I first of all mix them together like this, and I'll be adding the yeast. Remember, we activated this with a cup of warm water. So that is the first 1 cup of water into it with the yeast together. I mixed them together and I added another 1 cup of warm water into this. Altogether, up to the stage, we have 2 cups of water, and I still mixed it together, and I'll be adding the 3rd cup of warm water into it now. Please, not hot water, warm water. If you like, you can mix it together like this with your hand, or you get a spatula, and all you need to do is just to mix it just the same way you were doing it with your hand. Mix it well, and after that, it's time to cover it well. Keep it in a warm place until it's double in size. After about an hour, lovelies, this is what I have. I'm going to pour vegetable oil into a pot, heat it up a bit. You can test it with a slice of onions to be sure your vegetable is hot enough. That is the dough. So it's now time to start frying it. Let your hand be moist with some water and start to portion it like this. You can see how I'm bringing it out from the middle of my hand. You have beautifully formed puff, roundish like this, just perfectly round like a ball. That's how they all look. Lovelies, fry it until they are golden brown under medium heat. Lovelies, this is so simple. It is direct and stress-free. It is super delicious. You can serve it with any kind of drink, with coffee, with tea, or with soft drinks. You're just going to love it. It depends on the time you're eating this. Give it a try, and I bet it you're going to love this milk butter puff. It is special and tasted super delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe.